Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create your own storybook for kids with Canva and ChatGPT. So first you need to create an account in Canva and ChatGPT. So once you have created account in both platforms, first you have to go to ChatGPT and then here you need to enter or create a prompt for your storybook. So you can use a prompt, for example, write a 5-page bedtime story for children ages 5 to 7 about a little rabbit who learns to be brave. Each page should have 2 to 3 simple sentences. So ChatGPT will generate a storybook for you. This is what it looks like. Also, you can refine by asking, make it funnier, add a talking tree character, or write it in rhyme, but these are all optional. Now, once you have this storybook, okay, what you're going to do next is you have to simply go to Canva, and in Canva, you have to search here, create and design, search for storybook template, or let's just say PDF or whatever you want. So for this time, I'm going to search for storybook and then I'm going to use this size right here. You can just basically start from scratch or you can go to design and then look for something like related to rabbit. However, if you can't find designs or template for this, then you can just pick from any of the given templates and just replace it with the rabbit graphic. So for example, if I'm going to click this one right here, you just have to basically change the graphic or element into rabbit since your storybook is all about rabbit. For example, this one, I'll go to element, search for rabbit, and I can just basically replace the picture with the rabbit right here. I can delete the picture, this one, delete, and then I'm going to resize. Now you have to add the title of your book right here and your name if you're the author. Now you can add pages and then select from any of the template design and then copy the page one, page two. You can now start with the story right here. So go back and then paste. You can change the font size, font color like this, okay? And then add again, copy and then paste. So basically that's it till you finish the 5 pages. So suppose that you have finished the 5 pages, what you're going to do next is you have to tap on the share button right here, download, and then select PDF and then download. Wait for a couple of seconds and you should see the result right away. This is it. And this is how to create your own storybook for kids with Canva and ChatGPT. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.